Okay, so now that we've done all the vocab and terminology, we're going to actually do some dilations. So we're in art class. Kennedy draws scale copies of figure A to make a rug, and she is using a scale factor of 3/2 to draw figure B, complete figure B by drawing the missing sides. So in order to find out what your new sides are going to be, you multiply each side by 3/2. So our pre-image is here in blue. We have this side right here that is 4 units. So we're going to multiply 4 by 3/2. But since we're multiplying 4 by a fraction, we're also going to write 4 as a fraction. So we're going to write it as 4/1. So 4 times 3/2. We multiply straight across. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 2 is 2. That is now a division problem. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So all the sides that are 4, when I do my dilation, they are now going to be 6. All the other sides are 2. So we're going to do 2/1 times 3/2. We're going to multiply straight across. We're going to get 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So all the little sides that are 2 in the dilation are now going to be 3. And they did the first 2 sides for us. So they did this one, that's 6, that's 3. My next side, which is 2, is now going to be 1, 2, 3. This is going to be 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is now going to be 3, 1, 2, 3. This is also going to be 3, 1, 2, 3. This is going to be 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So we just did a dilation. This scale factor was bigger than 1, so it made our shape bigger, our pre-image bigger. Down here at the bottom, we're now using a scale factor of 1/2. Same pre-image, but this time we're multiplying the sides by 1/2. So all the sides that were 4 are now going to be 2. So all of these will now just be 2. And then we have 2/1 times 1/2, which is 2/2. And so all the short sides are now going to be 1. So that's why we're drawing the shape on the inside, because it's going to be smaller. So this side, which was 4, is now going to be 2. This is a 1. This is a 2. Oh wait, that should have been a 1, huh? Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. That's a 1. That's a 2. That's a 1. That's a 1. That's a 2. That's a 1. That's a 1. That's a 2. So now we have a scale factor, one that's bigger, one that's smaller. You do the same thing. You just multiply all of your side lengths by your scale factor to figure out what the new sides are going to be. There's a different way to find out if you have a scale factor. So on the next page, we have our pre-image, which is blue. And then we have 3 other rectangles. We have the big one, rectangle S. We have rectangle Q and rectangle R. So the center of dilation here, that's right in the middle of our pre-image. If you can draw a diagonal line, we're going to go through our pre-image and we're going to see which other ones that diagonal line lines up with. Now it's got to hit right on the corner. So if you notice, it hits figure S, of course the pre-image, not Q, but figure R. So all the ones where it lines up with the corner like that, those are dilations, meaning they are similar figures. So if we look at our table here, which ones are dilations of P? Figure S is a dilation of P. Figure R is a dilation, but Q is not. So all the corresponding angles They do all have corresponding angles, but it's these sides that are not going to end up being proportional, because these are all 90-degree angles, so I don't have to measure anything because they're all right angles. So it doesn't matter that the angles are the same, because it has to be the angles, and those sides have to be proportional. So this little diagonal trick is another way to help you figure out if you've got yourself a dilation or not. And we're going to go ahead and pause here.